awesome. Now this one, I don't know how much he used this because he had all of these others. Like, look back here in the driveway. That's a Charger 500. Right next to it is a Hemi Challenger. Here's an RT Coronet. And on the other side of this right here is a Shelby GT 500 KR. Holy shit. Beautiful. Now that is a mighty fine load. With the same owner since the 1970s, and now off to new lives. Where will these cars end up? Is their time cooking in the sun done? I sure hope so.